This is so obvious.
What is obvious?
Why did you walk out of the class? Do you want everybody in there to know you're jealous of her?
Jealous of who? I was expecting a call, that is why I walked out.
You were expecting a call. Every reaction of you right now tells me you're lying. Angie, I don't even know your problem. You have money. You are rich. Your mom is rich. She is also loaded. What is it? You have yours. She has hers. What is it?
What does she have? She doesn't have anything. She's just flexing. You know, see me. I just don't want to show off. My mother have money.
I know. Okay, fine. No, let's just go back to the class. Please.
No. I'm not in the mood. I just want to go back to the hostel. I don't want to join you.
It doesn't look like I have a choice. Right, let's go.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a new student or a new tenant. She's coming to stay here with you. What's your name? Mention your name to them.
Hello, please. My name is Adom.
Adom. Okay. Your room is room 9. I think there is an empty bed there. Adom.
Madam.
Go with them.
Okay,
to your room.
Thank you.
What are you laughing at? Now, you ladies and gentlemen, you have to be very, very careful because I am watching you.
Now, you ladies and gentlemen, my eye is watching. Okay?
Make it up! Eh?
Who are you? Who are you? Huh? I will not give you some. I will not give you some. If you think that you are going to get some, please, excuse me.
So I say you want
Nobody will get a piece of this. This one, hey, it's for my own self. I'm counting it.
Hey! La ilaha illallah. I smoking. Are you not sleep? I go inside. I seem to get there.
Hey.
Oh, let me tell you something.
Hey.
La ilaha illallah. Boyo. I go inside. I see Zange. She take plantain and cassava and tin in compound. In fact, I shock. I asked this girl, who is this girl?
It's your business.
What?
It's your business.
It's your business? Which business? Do you or one?
You. Massa.
What you? What's your problem? My bro?
2 months.
What's in your problem?
2 months. Madam no pay me.
2 months, madam no pay you?
Yeah.
But you told me, say you collect your money.
Collect my money. Massa. You steady.
Kai, needs na sound steady. Kai,
you steady.
Nika na tin woni. Zaka tiburo bank billahi lazim.
So we Jimmy, I say me say was no.
You don't lie. You can't do nothing. Me, if you rush me, I go take you and tell you my
Next time, open side you know. Topic. That's it. Today is the last warning.
You are warning me.
Yeah.
You short man, you are warning me.
Me short man.
Yeah. You remember I'm a watchman here?
You remember I'm a cleaner?
You are challenging me.
Who say you are challenging me?
Don't worry. I have a gun.
Fucking
if
man.
You are passing my side. This night.
Live there.
Don't say live there.
Yeah. Stop it.
Kai. I do fasting because I don't want to touch you. If you don't do the fasting, in fact, I go slap your face. I'm telling you, my brother. Because of fasting, no. I'm telling you, my brother. If you challenge me,
you fighting Kemo.
Me?
Fighting Kemo.
Kai, uwaka. You must say Getaka. Hey, Buntu Zakatabani. Because of fasting, I swear you. If you the sex queen, please try me to fight me. Nonsense.
Bro, you make a boy you. Nigga.
Allez, Sean.
What did you do? Bro, you forget saying you miss them. If you forget this kind you know.
Charlie, make I tell you something swag.
We for learn, bro.
This school thing where we can't school say they can't learn, get some money. But right here, they do money business for here.
Money is after school. Bro, there is time for everything. We forgot then. Let's go.
The last time you can't wear a chop Gary. Charlie, Sean.
What kind of talk that
One way I talk you say the other day.
Yo, nigga.
Erico.
What's up?
Charlie, wait till they check for that.
Charlie, some clients if you he send me some Google Play Store card.
Charlie, they go find Gary, go make her eat.
Why do you say it?
Yeah, they wait
To go make a pocket.
Hey, my guy, as they go to my Gary, they my place. We may not go claim my move.
Hey,
Hello, ladies.
good evening.
Evening. How are you guys doing?
We are doing good. Okay, so see ya.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Bro, at the top class, what do you do? Really?
You know, see, the white people they respect. So if I get this girl, Charlie, game changer, everything will change quick.
Before link up.
You be game changer if I think sharp.
I get you.
I didn't hear the girl, I didn't hear the show. Charlie, you want the camera, you want the camera. You want the camera, Charlie, I'm sharp.
Hi guys.
Hi, baby.
Good day.
Come closer.
How's the vibrant of this evening?
What's up?
I'm doing good.
Let's go and this week before link up. Yeah,
Wait.
I'll test you.
Priceless.
Yeah.
This girl, she fine.
Charlie.
I just see you before. Make sure.
Charlie, they love me too. You have been doing that's right.
I'll be fine,
Charlie,
boy.
go hostel, go send that puppy girl, Charlie. I think, yeah, go hostel. Go.
What sort of barbaric act is this? Do you think you are in your village? Do you think this place is your stinking,
dirty village that you come from.
Why don't you like me? Why?
You still have the nerve to talk. What sort of nonsense is that? Don't you know you are sitting at the back of my window?
Tell me, why do you hate me? Give me the reason.
Me? Hate you? Ask yourself, what do you have for me to hate you? What you are sitting right at the back of my window telling me this nonsense.
Somebody came to pass and didn't make a comment.
You are talking rubbish. Nonsense.
Good morning to you. I'm not here for fun. I'm here to collect my money. Yeah. Pokuya Rahia. Pokuya. Where are you? Come forward. You haven't paid a dime. Why? Hey, Kasa, na unu Kasa.
Madam, please, my mom said Monday.
Your mom says Monday. By Monday, if you don't bring my money, this is my own house. I built it with my own money. If you don't bring the money on Monday, I will just walk you out. You hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, get off. Just listen. Akete, where is my money? You've paid just 200 cedis and you are left with 500 cedis. When are you bringing the money?
Madam, please, my dad said he will send it this evening.
This evening?
Yes.
Evening is just around the corner. It will come so soon. No. You don't want to pay. You are enjoying everything in this house. Come on, get off.
Thank you.
Dr. Sasari. You are Dr. Sasari. Who is Dr. Sasari? Dr. Sasari. Why? Are you trying to hide?
No, madam.
You haven't paid a dime and you are enjoying the electricity and the water. Is it mine? That one is for the government. Oh, that one is for the government. If you don't pay, I'll walk you out. Okay?
Please, madam, my dad will come here today.
Your daddy will come here today?
Yes, madam.
Today will surely end. So you have to be very careful. Get off.
Thank you, madam.
Hey, right here, Boating. Madam, you paid 300 cedis and you are left with 400. What is the money?
Madam, please, my mom come here too.
Your mom, hey, your mom will do what? Tomorrow morning. Oh, tomorrow morning is just around the corner. If you don't pay it by tomorrow morning, I'll walk you out. I fear, yeah, you will to Musika and I'm DSC. You ain't be meditating. Now, Adam, you are not owing. You can go inside. Christiana Mankwa, you have not paid anything and you are enjoying the electricity and the water, which is not mine. It's for the government. Your mother is not around, so I have to walk you out. No, please, what? If you don't pay it by the end of this week, you go home. Okay? I beg you. And also, any life. Come on, come here. Why haven't you paid anything? You haven't paid anything. Why? Eh? You don't want to talk. You definitely go home.
Arrogantus, mama.
Hi guys.
Arrogantus, mama.
Now, room 5 is for the boy.
Yeah.
Emmanuel Abrakwa. Where is he?
Mama, please, Emmanuel Abrakwa.
Oh, you better fuck up. You are talking to an elderly person and you are dancing like this.
He's very disrespectful.
Sorry.
Not even a single respect.
Madam, please, sorry. Yes,
Okay, the rest you are not owing. You can go to your room.
You see Game Boy is quite ready to go.
Melody Browns. Melody. You've paid 200 cedis. Remaining 600 cedis. Where is the money? When are you paying?
By the close of next week, I'll pay.
Not this week, next week. It will surely come. Hey, Marian Mensah.
Madam, please, my boyfriend is not around.
So it is your boyfriend who is paying for the tuition and everything, isn't it?
Yes, please. My parents, they don't have money.
Tell him to bring the money. Otherwise, I'll walk you out.
Yes, madam.
Okay? You have already paid. You can go on.
She can't pay for her girl. Big mama.
Mimi and your girls. You've already paid. You can go to your rooms and have fun. Hey! You motherfucker. Those who are owing will be out of this hostel. I bet you. I promise.
Sure, mama.
I will walk all of you out. Believe me. Me, where I'm 50 and I'm here sit down. Alega. There's this thing here, you motherfucker. Tofik, you are sleeping, eh?
Yeah, madam.
Do you know the boy called Emmanuel Abrakwa?
Yeah, I know him.
Okay. Do not let him in.
Inside?
Yes. He owes me and I want him to settle every debt before he goes in there.
I hear you, madam.
If you let him in, you are going to lose your job.
Wallahi tallahi, I will never leave him to enter this.
That
campus.
is the warning I'm giving you.
Yes, madam.
If you let him in, you will lose your job.
Wallahi tallahi, I will not do that.
Okay.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Be here. If you come here, talk. In fact, I will slap the guy.
Let's go.
Wait. That Adom girl, what's wrong with her?
What have she done?
You are asking me, didn't you see what she did this morning?
We are here to learn, not to talk about people's business.
And so, bringing Kobe and Momoni to school.
None is your business. We are here to learn.
I think it's past.
And so, let's go. It's late. Let's go.
Hey, Saga is over poor, so I have a papa.
Diamond, gather all my handouts. I'll be going to the library in an hour time. Okay.
So then let me get the one I need to Mariam.
Excuse me. From who?
Mariam.
Mariam. Yeah. Diamond, you gave my handout to Mariam.
Yeah, she said she wants to check something out.
Let me tell you this, girls. From today onwards, those girls in that room, they are our enemies. Read my lips. Our enemies. Do you understand? So none of you should relate with them. No, forget about it. I'll get another one.
Smelling too much. Oh. This Adom girl, she is becoming unbecoming. Like, I can't take it anymore.
Yes, my sister, you are right. Tomorrow morning, we have to report her to the mistress.
Yes, first thing tomorrow morning.
She thinks here is her village.
Look, I can't even read anymore.
This is your handout.
Oh, you can keep it.
Oh, why? Is it because of what happened?
Oh, no. It's not about that.
Trust me, I'm very sorry of what happened yesterday. Okay, you see, trust me, I'm sorry.
Girl, listen, I hold nothing against you. You just keep it. You know you need it. And besides, I already bought one yesterday. So you keep it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye bye.